The first step is to install the CO2 laser tube and connect the water outlet to the shorter water pipe and the longer water pipe to the water inlet. Connect the wires to both ends of the CO2 laser tube, then put the cover on the left side, and then fix the laser tube with the buckle. Install exhaust fan. Connect the air pump. Install water chiller. Connect the water outlet on the cutter with the inlet of the chiller with the water pipe. Connect the water inlet on the cutter with the outlet of the chiller with the water pipe. Add water here. Connect the computer to the cutting machine with the USB cable. Turn on the emergency stop switch, then turn on the main control switch and laser switch. Turn on the chiller. So far the preparation work has been completed. The machine comes with 11 languages that can be switched at will. Import the work drawing to be cut into the computer in advance, and start cutting after adjusting the parameters. If you need to change the water, you can unplug the water pipe to remove the water in the CO2 laser tube.